Hello everybody, this is Carey Baird and this is the demo video for my new plugin, Fresh Bundle Master for WordPress. And this is something we've been working on for the past 6 months or so. We're just about ready to release it. We're going to be setting up some offers shortly. But what I wanted to do today is just show you through what the plugin actually is, what it does, why we've built this plugin, because some of you might know we also do other products like Fresh Store Builder, website hosting and things. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about why we've done this and how it compares to the other products we do. And yeah, I'm going to show you through some examples of how to use the plugin and show you all the features on the admin areas you can see on the screen now of WordPress. So just to give you a bit of an overview of what I do and the products that I've created before, the main one that you may well have heard of is Fresh Store Builder. So this is the Amazon Store Builder software that creates a whole website in a store format, integrated with Amazon, automatic updates of products, lets you pick and choose which products you want, etc. And this is a standalone kind of platform. It doesn't use WordPress. We developed a whole system for it. It has a remote shopping cart, tons of features. We've been in development for many years. I've lost count, but we've had it for public sale for about 4 years now. Big membership base. We have a forum around it. We have some supporting WordPress plugins that integrate all this kind of thing. So the reason I went down the route with Fresh Store Builder, it was something that I was using myself to make money from Amazon, and I always went for the store format because you get more products for every sale people add into the basket. You also had the 90-day cookie, which was another big thing. If you're just clicking a link through to Amazon, then you only get the 24 hours. Whereas if you're adding into your basket, it locks you in for at least 90 days. So these kind of things were my thinking behind the store format, and I also preferred the store format for conversions. And I'm not saying that's the only method that you can use to promote Amazon, but I was massively successful from it. I built my software around it. I had my method, which I teach to my members, and I stuck to that one method that I knew, stayed focused on that, tried to keep my members focused on that. Now, as time has gone on, I fully appreciate there's other methods for promoting Amazon, and people use blogs, they use review formats, they use content with links inside to Amazon in different ways. So we've been looking at ways to fulfill that need, because for some niches, maybe I think it's better to use more of a blog format with more information. For other niches, it's better to have the store format. Obviously, with WordPress, there are many advantages in that you can use your own theme, that you can use your own plugins for different things. You have the auto updating and things like that. So there's a lot of benefits to using WordPress as well. So that's me just giving you an idea of why we've gone down this route with the WordPress plugin, which, as you'll see, promotes Amazon not quite in the same way that Fresh Store Builder does, but it does give you a lot of parallels, and those parallels are: you can get the 90-day cookie from Fresh Bundle Master as well. You have the ability to have multiple items in one order. We're talking about bundles here, which will become more obvious as we go through it. The other thing is, it's like I touched on, it's WordPress, so you can use your own themes, you can use your own plugins. We've also made it compatible with the majority of the themes. We've got color editor in here, style editor, as you'll see, so you can change the look and feel and make it exactly as you want for your blog. So, Okay, so I'm going to dive right in here and show you how Fresh Bundle Master works, the WordPress plugin. I've already installed it. I'm not going to go through that with you. It's if you've ever installed a WordPress plugin, it's easy to do. If you haven't, it's super easy. So you're going to have the Bundle Master option here in your WordPress dashboard. I'm already logged in, everything like that. So I'm going to choose the first option, and I'm going to just walk you through creating a bundle. So this plugin is all about maximizing the commissions you're getting from a customer. It's all good and well putting a link to an iPad on Amazon, but you can offer some real benefit to your members by recommending a screen protector, a case, a stylus, an extra charger, all these extra add-ons, and you can recommend the best one. So you're doing a good service here for your visitors. You're kind of saying, right, this is the product we're recommending. Don't forget about these add-ons as well. And obviously, by doing that, you're maximizing the amount of commissions that you can get. People are more likely to buy all that together. And we've got a few things in here that will show you why they're more likely to buy as well. So I'm going to go through and create a bundle here, and I'll give you an example of, I think I'll do a barbecue example. So if I just search for a barbecue product, this now is just querying Amazon. It's bringing back all of the products that match the term barbecue. You can see we've got some various different ones, but I'm just going to pick an actual barbecue here. You can see a bit more information about it here before you decide to add it to your bundle. So I'm doing that. That's my first product in my bundle. We've got a bit of information here about all the products inside the bundle, the list price, the actual price. So we're starting to build up a bit of a discount indicator here, which will become more obvious as we go through. And this is quite a powerful feature of this. This is something that I really wanted to get in here, because we want to make it as easy as possible for you to build a bundle. If you're selling a particular product or you're promoting a particular product, Amazon has a ton of information on who buys what with that kind of product, what products are most popular, which ones they recommend, and all that data is so valuable, and we're using that here on the similar product section. So it's taking this one product that you've got in your bundle already, and it's pulling out the related products, the ones that people are buying alongside it. So you can quickly and easily build a nice little bundle here. We've got a 4-piece tool set. Add that to the bundle, that's a good one. And now it's recalculating because we've got those other two. Now we've got 2 products in there. So we can have a look at the grill cover. That's a good one, we'll add that one in. Let's see what else we've got coming through. Hooks for the actual grills. Hopefully we'll get some more. Yep, now we've got a fresh lot. So you can see now how easy it is to build a bundle like this. And now as we're building it up, you can see the total price for all these products here, and the actual, that's the total list price, that's the RRP price, the full price. And this is what the actual price is at the moment on Amazon. Just wanted to point that out. It'll become a bit more obvious in the future. So we can add some other products here by going back and searching again. I'm going to search for some actual food, some steak. You can't have a barbecue without steak. Sorry for the vegetarians out there. So we'll just pick this steak product, add that to the bundle. Again, we'll start getting some similar products, some related products, towel holder, all kinds of things. So I'm not going to go, how many have we got? We've got 5. I'll add one more product to there, and then we'll carry on. So you pick and choose your bundle however you want it. We'll show you some examples, give you some ideas of how these bundles can be created around different niches and things like that. So once we've done this, just have to click finish and save the bundle. It just gives you a bit of a summary. Now you can see all the products you've got here. You can change the quantities if you want to. If you want to add more than one, you might want to have 2 lots of steak in there. And it just gives you the opportunity to assess it, and you can remove the products if you want to. This is quite important. So this is showing the actual saving, the total saving for the bundle. Now obviously there's no group discount here, but it's very, very useful for the visitors to see how much money they're actually saving in total from all these products, and it really does boost the conversions, as you'll see on your stores when you try this, on your blog, sorry. Okay, so we'll give this a name. So this is Carey's barbecue bundle. Now this name will show on the front of the site, so maybe I should call it something like summer barbecue bundle, summer steak barbecue bundle. I'm just rushing through this as an example to show you the features, and obviously you might want to take a bit more time in picking the exact products you want and naming your bundles and things like that. Okay, so now this is a list of all the bundles that we've created. This is our little test store, so test blog. So we've got all kinds of different bundles here, which I'll show you through on the front of the site. And you can see at the bottom, here's the one we just created, the summer steak bundle. You can go in and edit, add products, remove products, things like that. So to give you a bit more of an idea of this column here, the uses column. Now we've created the bundle, it's available to use anywhere on your blog. So we can insert this bundle as many times as you want on different posts, on different pages, even several times in the same page, which and this uses column is just telling you how many times it's been used across your blog already. Now another important thing to tell you about at this stage is the prices of the products and the details of the products will automatically update the system is built so that it keeps checking with Amazon, make sure the prices are up to date, make sure the pictures are up to date, all that kind of thing. So you don't have to worry about going back into this and removing products and re-adding them or updating them yourself or anything like that. It's all automatically updated. So as soon as you create a bundle and you add it to your store, your blog, then it will keep updated. Okay, so that's creating a bundle. Now I'm going to go through and I'll show you. I'm going to create a new post or create a new page, and we'll insert this new bundle that we've created into that. So I'm just going to put in some dummy content in here as well, just to show you that this bundle can be slotted in and around your content, wherever you want it to go, above, below, and you can put it in several times. So I'm just going to put summer barbecue ideas. You might want to write an article on barbecue. It's coming up to summer, what kind of barbecues to get, what to do in your barbecues, and then you can obviously promote your bundle alongside it. So here's the icon for inserting a bundle. It's the same icon that you see on the left hand side. So I'm just going to click this now. I'm inside my page and you get to choose which bundle you want. Here it is. Here's my one at the bottom. It's got a unique ID, but that's the actual name that we chose. So you just need to click that and then it just confirms it there for you. All the products in it. You got the right one. Click next. Now what we've done with this is we've developed 5 different layouts for the bundle. So depending on what kind of bundle you create and what kind of products they are, you might want a slightly different layout. You might want to stay focused on one product, which is what we created this focus layout for. They might all be equal products, which we'll just put them in a list like that. You might want to do a nice fancy slider, which is, we've got the spinner here, which, as we'll show you on the front of the site, is a JavaScript thing that will slide through the products. Very nice effect. An auto grid is quite, I really like the auto grid one because it automatically changes the layout depending on how many products you've added to the bundle. So you can see here in this example there's 6. Now if we do 8, it'll become 2 on a row, and it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8. So it just like really nicely fits together. And then the photo tiles is just, it takes out the kind of product titles and just shows you the products in the pictures, which is very useful for some niches like clothes. You don't really need to describe what the dress is, you can see it. That's what that's for. So I'm going to choose the focus one for this one because we've got the barbecue and that's like the main part of the bundle. So chose the focus one just by clicking on it. Click next, and here we have some options. These options are specific to this layout. So I'm going to choose the first product, the actual barbecue, as the main product, and the next one you can set a custom title for this. So summer barbecue bundle, summer steak barbecue bundle. See the text for the corner ribbon. So it's just a little bit of tagline text for the buy bundle button, and these have all got defaults as well. So what I'm putting in here is just overwriting what the default is. You don't have to fill all this out, but obviously you can do. This is just giving you ultimate control over it, but it is optional. So I'm going to leave the rest as the default, so you can go through them yourself, obviously. Things like the button text and the variations pop up. We'll go into that a little bit more a bit later on. So now it's just going to show you how it looks with this layout. So this is quite a nice little feature because you can see exactly how your text is fitting. I think that text is a little bit too long, so we'll see how it looks anyway. We can always change it later. And this is a nice way to try out each of the layouts without having to actually save and preview your post. So there we go, I'm happy with that. All looks good. I'm going to click save. And you can see what it's done here is it's inserted what we call a shortcode in WordPress. So that's just the code that describes which bundle you're using, which layout you've chosen, and the different options for it. Just leave that as it is. And when we save and publish the page, this will be converted into your bundle. I'm just going to put a bit of text below it as well, just to show you how you can slot it in between your text on your posts and your pages. If I publish that, give it a second. Okay, and if we go to view page here, we can see how it looks on the front of the site. Fingers crossed. Okay, yep, and there we go. So you've got the little bit of content that I put in at the top. And here's the bundle itself, and a bit of content at the bottom. So you can see this is just one of the templates themes that we've been using for this blog with testing. This will go in exactly the same in any of your themes, any of your layouts, and you can see it's not got the prices on this particular layout, but it's got the total price and the discount, which is quite important. I mean, this is where it's good for conversions, because it shows your customer exactly how much money they're saving. They're getting all this for one price. There's no surprises. So that's how the bundle looks with this layout. So what I'll do now is just follow through. So as a visitor, if they're reading your content, they look at the bundle. Yeah, I like the idea of that bundle. Let's go through. Let's buy it. Now, what this has done now is we've got 2 products on here which have got options on Amazon. What that means is options or variations, however you want to put it. Basically, the product has an option. You can see this one is the steak product, and there's a few different kind of variations on that product. So it looks like these are different kind of different quantities of meat, different selections of meat. So you get to choose which one that is, and it's the same with the brush. So you can have a pack of 1 or a pack of 12. We just want one for this one, and this is the customer choosing. So if it's a dress, you've done some kind of clothes bundle, then the customer gets to choose what size the dress is. If it's a pair of shoes, what size shoes, maybe the colour. There's all kinds of different options that you'll get. If it's an iPad, it'll be like the size, 16 gig, 32 gig, 64 gig. So that gives the customer the choice instead of you dictating it in the bundle, because obviously people are going to have different dress sizes, different shoe sizes. So once you've done that and you click buy, now go straight through to Amazon. You just get this little confirmation page, which is always the same when you're doing this remote cart, using this remote cart feature. And it just confirms the products, continue, and it adds them to the basket. Now once they've got to this stage, it's added to the basket. That's when you get the 90-day cookie. It's locked into the basket now. When they come back, whenever they buy, you get the commission for this. And you can see everything that we chose has been added, and yeah, that's all good. So that just gives you an idea of how the customer will see it. Okay, so we've gone through creating a bundle, how the customer sees it and goes through. So all I'll do now is I'm just going to show you, I'll go through a few more of the options on the plugin in the back end. We saw the Save Bundles section, which just lists all the ones that are there already, that you've already created. You can edit them, you can delete them completely if you want to. The license settings, this is just the license for the plugin itself. Amazon affiliate details, we just need to fill those out for your API key, things like that, which we've got some guides on how to get that. It's very easy, just go through your account and get it if you haven't done already. And these options are available here. So you've got various options within the plugin as well. Whether you want to show the Amazon compliance text, your locale, whether it's US, UK, or European version of Amazon. Different bits of text that you can edit there if you want to customize that. Your cache settings, so how long, how often the products are updated in terms of the price and the images, things like that. You've got all kinds of different color options. This is where you can edit the layout of the look and feel of the bundle so they match your theme a bit better. All kinds of things there, different colors, different options for buttons and things like that. So plenty of stuff to mess around with there and to make it look like your theme. And we've also got all the documentations built into the plugin as well, so it's all there exactly where you need it. Everything from setting up the Amazon details, talking you through creating a bundle, editing a bundle, changing the settings, some information about the Amazon compliancy text, which is quite important these days, and just a bit of troubleshooting and tips and tricks and stuff. So everything's in there, and there's also some more information about where you can get more support from our forum, from the knowledge base, opening a support ticket. Okay, so that's all that. So I'm going to show you just a few of the examples that we've done before with the bundles, just to try and give you some ideas of the kind of things you can do as well. So there's an Apple bundle here, and this is basically just all the Apple products for Apple lovers, I guess. I'm not sure who would buy all these together, but it just shows you, you can do technology ones. A good example in this area would be if you took an iPad, like I was touching on before, and you pick the best case or the best value case that still does a good job, screen cover, a charger or a docking station, a stylus, maybe a camera add-on or something like that. There's all kinds of things that you can recommend along with an Apple product, with an iPad and iPhone. And I bought Apple products before. I've got an iPhone, and I find myself doing that as well. It's okay, I've got an iPhone, but what's the best case? You're pouring through all the Amazon reviews, you're going through the blogs where people recommend cases. Now, if you can actually take that step out for the customer and you can confidently say this is the best case, then they're much more likely to buy the iPhone and the case together from you because you recommended it and you've said why. And don't forget that it's not just about having this bundle little thing here on the post. You can also describe your bundle. You say, okay, this product is because of this, and scroll to the bottom of the article to buy this bundle, and you can describe each item in the bundle a bit more just to help with the conversions. What else have we got here? So this is an example of the auto grid layout. This is the one where the products will automatically fill out. Running a bit slow, this. Okay, so this first one is a Mexican party bundle that we came up with. So if you're having a Mexican party, you've got sombreros, you've got a table runner, mustaches, Mexican flag, all this kind of thing. So that's quite cool. If you had a party kind of website, or you just wanted to do something interesting for a Mexican holiday, something like that, that's a nice little idea you could do. You could do an Easter bundle with everything related to Easter. This just gives you an idea. And you see how the products have just formatted themselves nicely into rows. And this one is 6 products, and it's come out with 2 on a row. The Harry Potter head pack. So the main product is all the Harry Potter books, and then you've got all the little different bits and pieces, a wand and scarf and hat combination. So, for a Harry Potter fanatic, great. Gives you some good ideas. And your visitor might not buy all of those, but they might be, oh great, okay, yeah, how do I get that? And they're more likely to buy more, even if they go through checkout and they take them out of the basket afterwards. They are more likely to buy 1 or 2 more, even if they don't buy the full bundle. iPad pack, okay, so this is a bit more detailed like I was talking before. The actual iPad, a case, nice case, Bluetooth keyboard, earphones, all that stuff. So it kind of, and again, it's really nice to see the discount here. So it's showing them exactly how much discount they're getting for all these products. That really helps with the conversions. Again, this is the options. You got all these different options for the iPad. For the iPad case, you got different options. So that just makes sure that the customer is picking exactly what they want. I won't go through the process with that. Office Fun Bundle. So another one that's a little bit of semi-serious, but you've got some quite cool little USB type gadgets. Baking Kickstarter bundle, that should be baking, not backing, and that's that's quite a cool one. Big savings on that one. So again, that shows like really good, a good positive discount for the user. So if you're doing anything like recipes, or you're talking about certain type of cooking or baking or anything, there's loads of things you can do with Amazon. You can list all the ingredients out. Even if you post a recipe, you can pick out all the ingredients from Amazon, because they do so much food and groceries now, and your customers can just go one click, buy all the ingredients, check out. Brilliant. It's very, very good for the visitor, obviously, as well as being good for you in terms of conversions and commissions. And baking bundles, all kinds of different, like Italian cooking bundles. You get a pan, a pasta maker, a pasta spoon to get the pasta out of the pan, all those kind of things you can think of, and you can bring them together and sell more. So yeah, Xbox, these ones are quite obvious. Xbox, PlayStation, computer game, video game bundles. You can recommend the best games, the ones that are on discount at the moment, the best headsets. There's a lot you can do with that. Classic board games, that's brilliant. Great for Christmas, great for somebody who likes board games. Home professional, so yeah, like a home office kit. These are just some great ideas, and I'll show you as well before I finish this video. So we've got some examples as well on the main site, which I'll go through with you. The photo tiles, let's have a look at that one, because I quite like this layout as well for certain niches. The photo tiles, yeah, this one looks really nice, especially when the products are are ones that speak for themselves. This maybe doesn't quite do it, or the Office one, but maybe the Harry Potter one, you know, it's very visual, you can see it's the books, it's a wand, and it just intrigues them to click through a bit more, and it helps it be a little bit more focused. So that's why we've got all the layouts, so you can pick and choose for your particular bundle. Okay, so alright, I think that's enough, and I just wanted to mainly give you an overview of how the plugin works, how to use it, and our thinking behind creating this plugin. So I'm just going to show you a few more examples now on our main website. Examples, just to give you a bit of an idea of the different kind of things you can do. So there we go, the barbecue one, which we've done with a bit more thought. There's a barbecue in there, some seasoning, a barbecue book, and Pinny, perfect. Little scientist bundle, so you've got a little microscope and some books to support it. Concrete wave bundle, so this is it's like a skateboard maybe. So yeah, so spare wheels and helmet and gloves and things like that. Christmas bundle, a tree, Santa outfit, PC protection, so you can buy the software that you need to protect your PC. Java Addicts bundle, so coffee, so that's one that I particularly like. Everything relating to coffee, you can have a cup, coffee maker, donuts to go with it apparently. All that kind of thing is very good for the coffee lover. Yeah, like business related books, getting things done, which if anybody knows the book Getting Things Done, there's a lot of kind of related tools that you can get, like things like index cards or certain formatted notepads, things like that. This is the bakery one that we were looking at, that's quite a good one. The Xbox bundle, classic board games, the Mexican party, and the spinner. I didn't show you the spinner, so I'll just go through that as well. And you can go through these examples yourself to get some ideas, but any niche you're looking at, you could apply the idea of a bundle to it quite easily. So just browse through them for some inspiration. So I'm just going to show you the spinner, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so Harry Potter bundle. There we go. So we've just got the nice JavaScript spinner in there. Shows the product, shows the picture. And what's this one? This is the Office Fun Pack. Same thing again with the buy button underneath. So it's just a nice slideshow, simple effect, not too intensive, and that gives you just that other option for doing bundles. And yep. This one is the iPad pack. Okay, so I think that gives you a good overview of everything. If I check my list, make sure I've gone through everything. Features, it touched on it a little bit, but it's fully Amazon compliant in terms of it will show you the message if the price hasn't been updated for any reason within a certain amount of time. I showed you the variations and how you can choose an option, the fact that it auto updates, and the style editor. So these are just some of the features that I'm touching on, but I wanted to give you the overall kind of idea of the plugin and to show you how it works. So I'm really happy to be releasing this plugin, and we've been working really hard on it for at least 6 months, and we've had it in planning before that. I've really wanted to do this for a long time. Obviously we stay focused on Fresh Store Builder as well, and I see this as a real nice complement to Fresh Store Builder. You can have your full store for your niche, but you can also support it with a blog, and within the blog you can have these bundles to try and get a different angle at promoting to your customers, or you can run Fresh Bundle Master completely independently of Fresh Store Builder. You don't need them both, obviously. So I just see it as a great way for people who do like WordPress, and I'm growing to like WordPress. I didn't like it so much at the start, but it has matured as a product. You've got tons of themes out there now, tons of extra plugins to do all the kind of different things you want. And if you've already got a blog that's doing well, it's got some traffic, all you need to do is install this plugin, choose a few products, and straight away you've got a bundle there that's going to be making you commissions, and not just one commission. When people buy the bundles, they buy in 6, 7, 8 products, however many you put inside the bundle. So I really think it's going to be a great plugin for people to use to promote Amazon. Really happy to get it released. And if you have any questions at all, you can contact our help desk and contact me, or wherever you've seen this video. I'm just putting it around in a few different places. I want to show my customers, my Fresh Store Builder customers, but I'm also going to be showing some other people around here. So if you've got any questions, you can email me directly, get me on Skype, or post on the forum, the Fresh Store Builder forum, Fresh Marketing forum, or contact our help desk, anything like that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye.